Kia ora. Welcome to Helix SMS. In this video, we're going to have a look at the teacher view. From the dashboard, you can see school announcements, any of our announcements, and on the right, any widgets that you've added in there, such as who's in the sick bay, whose birthday it is. If you need to add new widgets, go on the left-hand side and click on Add Widget, and then you get the choice of what to add. From there, let's go to My Class. Here you'll see a list of all your classes, and the first class will come up showing the students, their pictures, any notes that are on those students, and their basic details out to the right. You can view further caregiver details by clicking on the View Detail, or more details on the students themselves by clicking on their name. In here, you get more individual details on that student. You get some basic overviews of their attendance, their pastoral, their notes, what their timetable is, their subject attendance year to date, their caregivers, and any custom categories that have been set up for your school. The next tab gives you an assessment summary where you can see their attitude to learning, their NCEA results. You can also view past reports for the student under caregiver reports. You can view their timetable, their custom categories, and you can record the pronunciation of their name. Going back to the summary, we can generate a medical list. We can go into the email area or send app notifications. Up the top, we can create quick filterable lists, more advanced filterable lists where you can sort and save the list for future use, class analysis, assay analysis. Clicking on attendance will take us to the attendance marking screen. You can mark all students present or go through and mark individuals away for whatever reason, and then mark the rest present, or just go to submit attendance and it will ask you if you want to mark the rest present. You can get a summary of the class attendance, and you can do attendance summary by class or period by period summary for this class. There's a weekly attendance overview that you can get. You can print the rolls. You can search by code to see who has been away for such reasons as medical or anything else that you like. Next, we have markbooks where the standards will come up and you can fill in the results there, and there's room for comments as well. You can change between your various classes again there on the left. Reports can be entered through here, and you can choose the report and enter or print the details for it. Some schools will be using a custom report. Under pastoral, you can get an overview of the number of pastoral incidents that have been recorded for each of the students in your class. And then just jumping back one to NCEA, you can get an overview of the NCEA progress for your class. You can mark NCEA progress here, or usually that is now done in the markbook instead, but you do have the choice. Under timetable, you can view your timetable, any other teacher's timetable, or any student's timetable. If you are a timetabler, then you may get some additional function here where you can add in special classes for students. I hope that overview is useful. Thanks for your time. Ka kite.